Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to mark as and read a chat on Discord PC. Actually, it should be the similar method if you are using Discord on your phone. So as you know that if you we can do mark as read on servers like this. If I click mark as read, it suddenly all the message over here marked as read by the system. And then if I right click again on the server, I couldn't see any option of mark as unread. So what you have to do, you just open your server and then find the message. So you just find the message, for instance, this one. I just right click on here and then mark as unread. That's it. So now it returns to make your server has a notification like this to marking that your Discord mark as unread. Okay, that's it. It's very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful, you can click thanks on down below or just subscribe to our channel. That's really fuel of our creativity. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.